call me illy cause I'm sick, and I don't give a shit about a nigga talking about it unless it ain't a brick or some dough. Cause a nigga trying to get the cake, how you gon' stick your hand in? You ain't help bake, what's straight? I ain't seen shit, no man. I'ma make sure I hit you right up in your jaw, man. Crush your ass. Make sure that shit like glass. Man, ain't nobody picking that up but the janitor, man. Flipping barons. Bitch, you gotta learn. Hit you with some new shit, then I run around like a curve. Bitches wanna learn. I teach them like a teacher. Bitches looking at me. Now they in my class. God damn, nigga, when the fuck you gon' pass? Man, I'm still counting cash from the last semester. Bitches like, God damn, why the rose on your dresser? Every time they see me, fuck it, I undress you. Bitch, I'm in the building, I'm just looking down. But I respect everybody around. I love everybody that's around. I'm a motherfucking clown. Entertainment is my motherfucking game. When you see me, nigga, I'm doing my thing. Real nigga talking to that bullshit shade. I don't give a fuck, nigga, do my thing. I can do comedy, do some entertainment, bitch, you don't make, nigga, I'll make a movie. Put them bitches on front. I did that, nigga, you know, it's up there movie. Part 5, part 6, I don't give a fuck, nigga, I'm on my shit. I'm an artist. When you see me, I got the paintbrushes. Motherfucking doing my thing. Real niggas gon' play, but I don't give a fuck. Cause a nigga like me gon' make sure I gotta keep the cup. When I keep the cup, everybody gon' know. Real niggas sit down. Fuck boys, sit the fuck up. Cause I'm coming in this bitch, 2 choppers in a double cup. And I don't give a fuck, I'm straight up. And if you don't like it, put your makeup. Chill with your bitches. Don't chill with me, cause real niggas get sick. HIV, I don't fuck around with bullshit. What the fuck you mean? Niggas wanna talk, they get dunked on. Y'all don't mean, give a fuck how tall you is, we still ball across the bitch. Worldwide, I'm so fly. Bitch, cut my wings, I still fucking levitate. How the fuck you mean? Bitch, I ain't a human being, I'm a motherfucking man. I'm trying to be the man's of the man's. But they gotta understand, nigga like me got a fucking plan. Really is the man, understand. Hit me with a comment. If them hoes vomit, write a comment. Shoot the game with a sniper rifle. Watch that bitch like, damn, who hit that nigga? I'm gonna be coming up like the hitman, ball head. Bitches looking at me, know I'm ballin'. Cross it. Bitch, I sit out in the 4th quarter. Bitches looking at me like I'm at the border. Yeah, I'm at the border waiting on my Spanish bitch. She coming with the bricks. They all up in the coochie. I don't give a fuck. I'm 18. Lost to make sure that I still keep on making my free throws. I'm 100% and I ain't lying. Bitch, I went for 100 and 100. Bitches looking at me and I already done it. What you trying to say, nigga? You run it. Bitch, I come up in the game and yes, I do my thing. They can say this so damn long, but fuck it, don't complain. Bitch, I do like motherfucking muscle man. Watch my shit. Bikini, whoop, whoop, that's a muscle man. Bitch, I cook it so damn sick and watch me. And I don't give a fuck. I'm about to do another one, nigga. So catch me out. You already know. It's illy. It's illy. Illy.